What is Nano Banana? The Nano Banana is an AI model that generates and edits images based on text prompts. It has recently become popular on social media. How to access it? You can access it in two ways. The first is through Gemini. Click Tool and then Create Image. The second, which I will use from now on, is through Google AI Studio. Choose Try Nano Banana. How to use it? First, click the Insert button, upload an image, and select the picture you want to edit. You can also create one with your own prompt and then edit it. For example, I want make the woman look like she is driving a Lamborghini. If you don't like the result, you can click Rerun this turn and Nano Banana will recreate it. To view an image, just click on it. If the image is too large, you can drag it by clicking the middle mouse button and moving the mouse. Another example is combining two or more objects. Here, I uploaded two images and wanted the two buildings to be merged side by side. After the image is ready, you can continue editing it. For example, I want to change the background to a cliff. How to remove a watermark? You might see a watermark in the lower right corner of the image. On Windows 11, open the image with the Photos app, click Edit, choose Erase, mark the watermark area, and then Save. Thank you for watching.